Like, I just don't understand how this is a wig. Like, it's just so soft and it's so pretty. I love it. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video. Oh my goodness, doesn't this hair remind you of Beyonce back when she highlighted her hair? She had those caramel tone highlights. I'm gonna put the picture right here. That's exactly what this unit reminds me of, and I absolutely love it. This is from a company called Youth Beauty. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it, and I had so much fun styling it as well as making it blend with my hair. So this is another headband wig tutorial. You all know I love headband wigs. I absolutely love how easy they are, how you can look put together in minutes. So definitely make sure you check out Youth Beauty. They have some great units, and I will put all of the links in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Now let's jump right into this hair tutorial. Okay, so I've done this in previous videos where I showed how I put my hair down just to go under the wig cap. So I won't do that for this video, but it's pretty much the same way. I put my hair in 2 braids and try to put it down as much as possible to fit under the wig cap. Now, first of all, let's talk about the packaging for this Youth Beauty hair. It is so cute, like so cute. Do you guys see it? It is adorable. I absolutely love it. And here is everything inside. It comes with 2 headbands. It comes with 2 wig caps as well as the hair. Here is what the hair looks like up close. Right now, for first impressions, this hair is super soft. I absolutely love it. It has some highlights in it, which I thought was so cute. And that's exactly why I wanted it. It's something that's just like a little bit different. This is the Lazy Girl Headband Wig Brazilian Hair Mixed Colored Highlights, and it is in the style Deep Wave. So there are deep waves, as you can see on this hair, but I think that's going to be really pretty. Really quickly, I am going to probably speed this part up where I show you guys how I lay my baby hairs or the front of my hair, just so it can blend with the wig, and that's it. So let me do that first. Let me just say, I love anything that requires the least maintenance or is quick and easy and helps you either get out the door faster in the morning if you have somewhere to go, or since we're all in quarantine pretty much, helps you to look really presentable and you don't need to put that much effort into your appearance, but you'll still look pretty and presentable. So I absolutely love headband wigs just for that reason. I feel like they are so versatile and it helps you to just look nice and put together. You can look presentable and you don't have to worry about doing too much. So I absolutely love that. Now I'm gonna just lay it down, lay the front down for a bit, and then tuck the rest of the hair underneath the head cap. And then I'm gonna put on the wig and see how it looks. You guys, I have so much hair, like it's crazy. It's a good thing, but it's like, it can be annoying sometimes too. Like, you have to work with it. Because that's what hair is. It's like, you gotta work with it. it don't work with you, you gotta work with it. All right, so I'm gonna leave this like this for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes just so the hair can lay, and then I will be right back. Okay, so my hair in the front should be just fine. It's been a couple of minutes. So let me put on the wig now. It comes with a Velcro strap as well as 2 combs on the top, 1 comb in the bottom, and an adjustable strap, just like all headband wigs do. Let me put it on and see how it is. Take off the black hairband. Put this scrunchie here so I could fix the back, get the hair out the way. So I can put a cute headband on. I pull the front usually back a little bit just so I can put a cute headband over it. Now, I'm gonna put this one on. I think this one looks cute. This side is fine, just a little bit more on this side. A few hairs that won't go back. Alright, I think that looks really cute. Oh my god, this looks so cute, does it not? But I want to wet it though. I want to wet it and see how it looks. So I'm going to wet one side just to show you guys the difference, just like I did with my previous hair tutorial. I'm going to wet one side and come back and show you how it looks, and then I'll wet the other side and show you how that looks. Okay, so I'm going to wet this side and be right back. Okay. I love it. I love this hair. Look at how it looks when it's wet. It's like more weighed down, obviously. I put like a mountain of conditioner in it. So it's like that. And now this side is dry. So look how short this side is. See? So now what I'm gonna do is wet this side and be right back. I love this hair. Look at how it looks. So now both sides are wet totally, and I just put like a mountain of conditioner in it just so it can keep the hair way down, but look at how it looks. Aren't the highlights gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? I absolutely love them. Now I'm gonna try and turn around and show you guys how it looks. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Youth Beauty. Definitely check out the description box. I'm gonna put the direct link to this hair as well as other units. Check them out. I highly suggest it. I absolutely love this hair. It was minimal shedding, minimal tangles, and it is so soft and gorgeous, and I love the highlights. I feel like it adds an extra pop to the hair. And as you all know, I love headband wigs. I've grown to love them so much. Make sure you check out the description box. I will leave all links as well as more information for this unit down there. And that is it. Let me know your thoughts. Are you into headband wigs? And if so, let me know what other hair tutorials you want to see. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, and I give an additional video throughout the week if I can. Thank you all so much again, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!